What makes seed processing increasingly intelligent? Come and take a look at the choices of this company. It purchased the ultra-fast laser pipe cutting machine from Andy Jink many years ago. He directly purchased the latest model of the laser pipe cutting machine for beveling as soon as it was produced. Solve all the problems effortlessly. The base of the swivel chair is required to be firm and durable. This machine has a high efficiency in straight cutting. The quality of the cutting surface is excellent, which facilitates the subsequent welding. Complex tube shapes can also be cut with a beveled angle of plus or minus 50. The products fit together perfectly, reducing the consumption of welding wire, reduce costs, and make the splicing more aesthetically pleasing. There is a large demand for the processing of retractable pipe feet, equipped with a semi-automatic feeding rack. Reduce labor costs. High precision chuck. It has a faster cutting speed and higher precision. The zero-waste tailings design eliminates waste and greatly reduces costs. Intelligent conversion of the 3 regions of the cutting head. The cutting speed and precision for long pipes and short materials are further improved. Choose Andy Jink, and you will be one step closer to success.